Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. Today's unboxing is part of what I bought for my birthday or my birthday haul. I decided I will not be unboxing all of the purchases that I made for my birthday. I will only be unboxing two handbags that are super glamorous, super pretty, and I was gonna do shoes as well, but I decided not to. So hopefully I'll do the bags within this week. I still have to do a boot unboxing video. I have been waiting for some of the other boots to come in and they still have not, so patience is a virtue. On another note, and before we get straight into the unboxing, I want to let you guys know that I finally made an Instagram page. I will put it down in the bio below. It is Angie Chandaramani. And if you like, follow me there. I will be updating outfits, bags, and putting previews to unboxings. So I hope to see you guys there as well. Today's unboxing will be on Valentino. This bag is super precious and special and sparkly and girly and glamorous, and I just loved it. I fell in love with it when I first saw it, and I'm like, I must have it. If you guys have watched my previous videos, I told you guys I was trying to do more of fun, age-appropriate bags instead of classic neutral bags that I usually do. So you guys are in for a treat. So the bag comes in a red Valentino box. This is the box. This is the packaging. Isn't it so pretty? It looks like a Christmas present, but it's not. It's actually a birthday present. Of course, the bag comes in a dust bag. And this is actually the strap to the bag, which I'm gonna take it off first. And give you guys a clue on what bag it is that I bought. Look at her. Isn't she fabulous? I actually got the matching earrings with the buckle. I will be unboxing it later on in the video. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Sparkle is why I fell in love with this bag. Especially because, as I mentioned in my previous videos, I do not have a lot of pink bags. I rarely wear pink, and I am trying to wear as much color as I can. And I'm gonna start with pink because it's such a feminine color and it's just so pretty. But this bag is amazing. So as you can see, it has the top handle, and it also comes with straps, which you can strap in on the side. Which I'm definitely not using this bag as a crossbody. This bag is too pretty to be used as a crossbody, so I will not be using it as a crossbody. And then this is it. So this bag comes with two tags. One says Valentino, and this is the tag that has to be on the bag in case I want to return it, which I am not. And this tag says the specs of the bag. So the bag opens down, the buckle opens downward. And then, ta-da! So inside is leather and it's also pink. A light pink. I want to say pastel, but I am not sure. And then the inside says Valentino, made in Italy. I don't know if I could focus on it or not. And it's pretty spacious. I could fit my phone, a little makeup bag, money, and a wallet. And then it comes with these. I don't know what this is actually, but it comes with this. Let's just open one of them. This is what it shows. This is in another language, this booklet, so I'm gonna assume there's one in English, one in another language, and then this language. But anyways, isn't she such a beauty? I cannot wait to wear this bag. Cut the tags off. If you hear my dogs barking, please disregard them. They want attention. And then this is her, guys. In all her glory. She is just so beautiful and so stunning, and I am just in love. I hope you guys are in love with this bag as I am. She is so precious. That's it. Now for the earrings. They also come in a red Valentino box. And they come in this dust bag, like most Valentino items. And then, ta-da! This is it. Oh, it's, ta-da! Look how beautiful. So again, it matches exactly with the buckle. It is just thinner than the buckle. As you can see, this is super thick and this is thin. And 2 earrings come in here. So this is how you would wear them. They're so pretty. And again, it comes with little booklets or cards, I'm not sure. It comes with this and the price, specs, item number. So guys, what do you think about her? Is she one of the most beautiful things you have ever seen in your life? Because to me she is. And like I mentioned before, I cannot wait to wear this bag. Like, truly and honestly, she is so fabulous. She is super glamorous. She's the perfect size. And I'm just super excited to have her in my collection. In the case that I don't have an event to go to and I don't get to wear her, at least she'll decorate my closet, right? And let me show you guys the earrings one last time with the bag. These are it. I'm not gonna take off my earrings to put them on, but this is how they'll look. So you guys could get an idea. So as always guys, it's been a pleasure. I hope to see you guys again in my next video. The next bag that I will be unboxing will be just as fabulous as this one. It will be a clutch bag. I honestly haven't seen anyone else unbox this bag or wear it yet. I haven't seen any pictures of anyone with it. So I'm excited to unbox it for you guys and also finally get to wear it. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe to keep up with my unboxing updates. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I also have a TikTok and they will be in the bio down below. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.